I bought silver and gold in a volatile market, and then this happened. Welcome to Silver Heist. Thank you to our returning subscribers and guests. We're a channel that likes to buy physical gold and silver, and we like a coin with a good story. If you like those things, please subscribe. Well, 2020 is a challenging year, to say the least. I just bought silver and gold in this volatile market. I have an unboxing to show you. It just arrived. And so not only will I show you the coins I bought and explain why I bought those coins, I'll also tell you what happened. And in this volatile market, quite a few things happened. So the markets have been going both up and down these past couple of weeks. And so here's a chart for the silver spot price for the last 30 days. It definitely went up, reached some recent highs, and then there was a correction. And likewise, gold went up, cracked 2,000, settled at some 2,000 plus levels, and then there was a correction. Some people are discussing buying on the dip, so we'll cover that and more. Let's get into the box. Okay, so this just arrived today. UPS, a little beat up, but hopefully doing well. So I will share my invoice at the end so you can see the price that I paid for the different items. But let's just enjoy some shiny silver and gold. Okay, so this is a much bigger order than is typical for me. But this has not been a typical year. So I've been looking to stack more gold than silver. Plus, I just couldn't really wrap my mind around the premiums that have been asked for the silver products. So I've been holding some of my money, and then I decided to act. All right, so we have two items. We have that, and then we have that. So this first item I've never had before. I'm excited to have it. So one thing I've had to do with respect to stacking silver this year is that I just couldn't wrap my mind around the premiums for silver eagles. And so something that I've always liked are Canadian maple leafs. And so in my mind, when I was going to buy some government bullion, it would be the maple. But I've had to even be more adaptable than that, because the Canadian maples were actually not in stock when I wanted to go out and buy them. I would have had to wait a few 2 to 4 weeks. So this is from the Royal Mint, which is England. And so this ought to be 2020. So let's see. So there you go. A Tower of London. So the Queen Elizabeth II, 2 pounds. And let's see how we're going to spin this. There it is. She's beautiful. It's a 2020 Britannia. So this is a shiny, proof-like finish. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful coin. So these are not always the same every year. This is actually the first one I've ever had, but they change the background, maybe the border, maybe they change this background around the queen. So this is a great coin. So this is my third choice for government bullion. I would have liked to had more of these. I've got to maintain some flexibility in this calendar year because it's a pretty dynamic market, not only about prices and spot prices, but frankly availability. So sometimes the thing that you want is not available and you've got to go, you need a plan B or a plan C. 25 of those, guys. And here is item number 2. Looks different. Oh, it's a 2020. All right, it looks pretty good. It's a 2020 American Gold Eagle. Look at that luster. 1/4 ounce. So we're excited to have this. I have a commemorative gold coin, which is just a hair under a 1/4 ounce, but I don't have a 1/4 ounce eagle. So this is our first eagle. Okay, so this is going to be quite a project, but we've got a 2020 1 ounce, a 2020 1/10 ounce. We do not have a 2020 1/2 ounce, so that is the missing link. But we have now added a 2020 1/4 ounce. We have a family of eagles. So with that one, we could have a complete set. All right, and let's see the girls together. This is a 10 ounce Britannia, and this is a 1 ounce Britannia. Okay, so I placed the order on August 3rd. Today is August 11th, 2020. Gold spot price was $19.66, and I will admit that 2 days later I made a video because gold had jumped to the early to mid 2000s, and it was exciting, and silver had gone from $24 up to $28, and then frankly it went even higher. So, and then this happened. On the 10th, the price dropped, and it dropped a lot, but it came back. Everyone likes it when prices are going up, but we have to accept when they go down. So they bounced back a little, 1914, and frankly, I bought a little lower than where we are today on the silver. So gold is down $50 an ounce plus from when I bought it, but frankly, silver's up $1 and change. So what's the impact to this? The impact is I paid $556 for the gold and $706 for the silver, for a total order of over $1,200. But the same order today would be $779 from Monument Metals at both places. That is a plus of 73. But gold is down. But here's the interesting wrinkle. Because of the dip yesterday, and because of the tight supply of gold eagles in the 1/4 and the 1/2 ounces, which are the 2 least popular sizes in terms of production, Monument Metals, SD Bullion, Provident, JM Bullion, even the new firm Hero Bullion, no one has quarter ounces in stock. And so, although there is a dip and it's lower than it was 8 days ago, it's not available, not even on pre-order. Based off of the spot price change and a similar premium, it would be $541. I would have lost 15 bucks on it, but it is not available. So the only game in town is APMEX, and they have an inventory. They're a big firm. $600 for a quarter ounce of gold. That would cost me $51 more than last week. So if that's our benchmark, I have physical gold and silver in a volatile market. Not only is the spot price volatile, but the inventory and premiums are also volatile. This would be $13.86, or like I said, $124. So I bought silver and gold in a volatile market, and then this happened. Plus, I've got some physical gold and silver. But if you want to see some more stories and gold and silver coins, please watch one of our featured videos.